video is about the elements of art. The elements of art are things that artists used to create artwork with. First we have line. A line is a mark made by a pointed tool such as a brush, a pencil, a stick, or a pen. It is often defined as a moving dot. It has length and width, but the width is very tiny compared to its length. Next up is shape. Shape is an area that is contained within an implied line, or is seen and identified because of the color and value changes. Shapes have two dimensions. They have length and width and can be geometric or freeform. Geometric shapes are shapes such as squares, rectangles, or circles. Freeform shapes are shapes that we see in nature, so think of leaves or clouds. Those are freeform shapes. Color. Color depends on the light because it is made of light. Color is light reflecting off of an object. There must be light for us to see color. A red shirt will not look red in the dark because no light is bouncing off of it. Value. Value refers to dark and light. Value contrasts help us to see and understand a two-dimensional work of art. Value also creates the illusion of three-dimensional depth in an artwork. When you think of value, you probably think of shading. Shading is a technique to show value. When you think of value, think of the grayscale going from white through all of the grays to blackest black. A good way to understand value is to actually create value scale. When we talk about space in art, we're not talking about outer space. We're talking about actual space. And what that means is depth, three-dimensional depth. So whenever you look at a painting or drawing that appears to have things that look close up and things that look far away, that artwork has space. When an artwork has space, it can also be divided into usually three areas. A foreground where things are very closest, those things will appear close to the bottom of an artwork. A middle ground where things are neither close up nor far away, and a background. That's where things are the farthest away. Form. Form is shape in three dimensions. So if you think of a geometric shape such as a circle, its form would be a sphere. Lastly, we have texture. Texture refers to the surface quality of an artwork. Even paintings can have texture. Even drawings can have texture. Texture is what makes the surface of an artwork appear exciting and interesting.